Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. This is entry number 8 from Deb Adams. She is A Creative Life on YouTube, and I will have her channel linked in the description box. She's super talented. I encourage everyone to go watch her channel. She has mixed media, paper. She's very talented. So she did include a birthday card, which I will open. She makes some really pretty cards, guys. And look at that. Love, Dream, Bloom. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I love that washi. Oh, how cute. Oh, this is so cute. It says, "For you, my friend." And it's got this cute little squirrel holding a bouquet of flowers. And this banner has a couple of flowers on the corners, a beautiful bicycle in the background. She has used some corrugated board for the card itself. So she wrote me a note on the inside, and girl, you're not late. Remember, I extended it because I was sick. But anyway, guys, that is so adorable. I just love that little card. It looks like she used some glossy accents on the eyes and the nose on the squirrel. That is so adorable. I love the card, Debbie. Thank you. Very pretty. So this looks like it is her box. So we're going to set this one aside for a second, and we will open these to see what she has sent. These are extras. Thank you, Deb. You know you didn't have to, but I appreciate it. So thank you so very much. She put a little cluster of flowers right in the middle of the tissue. I've never done that. So there's an idea for us. Okay. And in this package, we have some flowers. These are Prima flowers. These are beautiful blue and purple flowers with green and yellow. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, they're pretty. Thank you, Deb. And then these also are Prima flowers in a variety of beautiful colors. Oh, those are pretty. Thank you, Deb. You know we use our flowers, so I appreciate that. Thank you very much. And the packaging is just beautiful. And then in this package again, she glued a little cluster of flowers. Oh my goodness. Okay, so in this package, she has included a stamp set from scrapbook.com. And yeah, this is a really nice stamp set to have. It's a birthday stamp. So this is very, very useful. Thank you, Debbie. I appreciate that. And then she has included, oh, this is a little cupcake die. How cute. It's got the base. It's got the little top for the cupcake. It's got a little cherry, and it's got the drip. So that is so cute. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to use that. That is so adorable. Thank you, Debbie. And then here she has included, oh, look at this. This is a die, the Gemini Crafter's Companion die, and it is a Christmas tree. How pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm going to make Christmas cards with this. This is so pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, Deb, thank you. That's so pretty. Seriously, I appreciate these. Thank you. Oh. Well, thank you, lady. And then we will go on to her beautiful box. So it's got the satin ribbon tied around the package with some satin ribbon flowers. Those are so pretty. I love these. Oh, very pretty. Let me see if I can take it off. And it looks like it's got a button with a bling piece on the top. Or some kind of, maybe that's not a button, but a bling piece on the top. That's so pretty. Let me see if I can remove it without destroying it. Oh, look. Those are extra goodies. Thank you, Debbie. And then, of course, the satin ribbon. Totally reuse that. And then she has wrapped her box in celebration tissue. Very appropriate. Thank you, Miss Deb. All right, so Debbie has used the Marion Bright paper, Christmas paper, the pastel. This is so pretty. Mary Bright. It's got, I'm assuming that's the name of this because I think I remember that. It's got a little snowman and a cup of cocoa with all these little sequins and tiny shaker bits glued like it was snowing. So cute. This beautiful trim going around the box. All the way around. That's so pretty. Thank you, Deb. That's beautiful. I love that paper. So opening the box, she put a pocket on the lid, and she has included some cute reindeer. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. Oh, those are pretty. And then she's included some of the cut-aparts from the collection. Very pretty. Oh, those tags are pretty. Oh, very pretty. Yeah, those are cut-aparts. And look at those tags. So pretty. Thank you, Miss Deb. Very nice. I love that. So getting into her box, on this, starting on this side, she has included a string of pink iridescent pearls. These are so pretty. Very pretty. And then she has included some of these snowflakes. And you know, guys, I had these one year and then I used them all up and then just never replenished my stash. So I love those. I really, really do. Thank you, Miss Deb. And then here she's made a couple of poinsettias. Look at that. It's made out of that Flammarion, like that really thin foam. I think it's really, I think that's the way it's pronounced, Flammarion. Anyway, these are so delicate. I wish you could feel how soft they are. Her coloring is perfect. Oh my gosh. And then she's got the prills in the middle. Very pretty. Debbie, these are real pretty. Can't wait to use those. I may hoard them. I don't know. And then she's included some wreaths. These are pink, silver, with a bow in the center. Look at this one with a pink bow. Oh, look at the one with a gold bow. They're all very pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that center. Wow, they're pretty, Deb. Thank you. I appreciate that, because I don't know that I have a die for a wreath. I don't know that I do. And then on this side, she's got various cutouts. Oh, look how cute, the little gingerbread. And she's put some kind of foam stuff on there, some puffy paint or something. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh, these little gingerbreads are so adorable. And look at this tree, guys. Oh my gosh. And then the candy cane. We have some more gingerbreads. Some more candy canes. Girl, you were busy. And then some more trees. They're all very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love those little snowmen. How cute. Very pretty. Thank you, Miss Deb. And then on this side, she's got some like velvet trim. This one is in red. This one is in pink. They're both gorgeous. And then she's got some trim here. How pretty is this trim, guys? Look at that. Very pretty. Oh, I love that trim. Thank you, Deb. Very pretty. I appreciate that. And then here she has got, oh, she's got a whole bunch of charms. One of the little bottles came up, two of the little bottles opened up, but I'm going to save all those little prills and put them back in there. But there are the charms, Christmas charms. There's the bells, There's a snowman. Oh, look at this bow, how pretty. Oh, look at this reindeer head, and then this one. So I will put these back together, Miss Deb. These are so pretty. Look at that. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. And it was in bubble wrap. Okay guys, I staple that one back up so I can put those pearls back into the little bobs. Awesome. Thank you, lady. I appreciate that. And then in this one, she's got some pink doodads. There we go. She's got some pink acrylic pieces. Oh, those are all so pretty. Very pretty. Love the colors, of course. Thank you, Miss Debbie. Awesome. Thank you so much, lady. And then look at these poinsettias, guys. She worked on these, didn't she? Look at that. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. If poinsettias with this card die. Oh yeah. You know, just use coordinating colors. These are pretty. I don't know. I think she used glass glitter on these. They are so pretty. Wow. Thank you, Debbie. I appreciate that. I know it's work. All right, guys, that was entry number 8 from Debbie Adams, A Creative Life, and I will have her link in the description box so you can go check her out. She does some really, really amazing work. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. Y'all have a great day, guys.